very most important in the final exam for the purpose of intermediate. The topic is nuclear reactor. Here, nuclear reactor, it is a device, it is an instrument. What is in the instrument phenomena is mainly nuclear reactor in which fission is occur under the controlled chain reaction. Okay, once again, here it is a device. Nuclear reactor is a device in which nuclear fission occur under controlled chain reaction. Controlled chain reaction means K value equal to 1. That means number of neutrons in the previous state equal to number of neutrons in the present state. Okay, this nuclear reactor is a device in which nuclear fission occur. This will be under controlled chain reaction. This is the principle of nuclear reactor. This is the circuit diagram of the nuclear reactor. Nana. Look here, Nana. Look here, look here. All of you look here. Here, all of you look here, Nana. All of you look here. Here, nuclear reactor circuit diagram to see here. This is called fuel, Nana. Fuel. This is the neutron. This is the moderator. This is the control rod. This surrounding wall is called radioactive shielding. Here, this is water, Nana. This is called coolant. Look here, Nana. Mainly nuclear reactor consists of 5 parts, Nana. Nuclear reactor consists of 5 parts, Nana. The first part is fuel, Nana. Fuel. First, Nana, fuel. Fuel means in the petrol engine, petrol is a fuel. Diesel engine, diesel is a fuel. Electrical engine, battery is a charge is a fuel. Here, Nana, in the nuclear reactor, fuel is uranium-90 to 235, Nana. Sometimes we use uranium-238, sometimes use plutonium-239. Here, actually, mainly we use uranium-90 to 235. Here, the fuel means fissionable material. That means easily heavy nucleus split into 2 or more nuclei and release a large amount of energy. I write the equation also, Nana. Uranium-90 to 235 bombarded with slow neutron, other name thermal neutron. It will be barium, krypton. Here how many neutrons are released? 3 neutrons, and releasing amount of energy is 200 MeV release. Here mainly it consists of fuel. First part is fuel. Fuel is nothing but the fissionable material. The best example is uranium-90 to 235. Next, Nana, here next part is moderator. Here moderator. What is the use of moderator? Generally, slow neutrons are not available, Nana. This is the fast neutron. But here, according to this equation, slow neutron required. So, fast neutron passing through the moderator, it becomes slow down. That means, what is the use of moderator? Moderator is a instrument to slow down the fast neutrons. Moderator best example is heavy water, ORR, graphite. What is the example of moderator, Nana? Heavy water, ORR, graphite. Next, Nana, in the reaction, one neutron I take, 3 neutrons are released. Actually, according to nuclear reactor, this is a controlled chain reaction. That means number of neutrons in the previous state equal to number of neutrons in the present state. Previous I take 1, but after here 3 neutrons are released. That means excess is how many? 2. These excess neutrons are absorbed by control rods. Here control rod is a instrument nana to absorb excess number of neutrons, to absorb excess number of neutrons. What is the best use of control rod nana? What is the best example of control rods nana? Cadmium or boron. Example of control rods is cadmium or boron. Next nana, in this process, slow neutron bombarded with fuel and releasing a large amount of energy release. That means here harmful radiations are emitted in the nuclear plant nana. So around the nuclear plant, a concrete wall, 10-meter thickness of the concrete wall is constructed. That concrete wall is called radioactive shielding. And here this concrete wall is 10-meter thickness nana. Here some places lead also paste on the wall nana, because lead is a very best material to absorb the harmful radiations, harmful radiations. Here nana, this process will be continue. Enormous energy will be released. This total energy passing through the coolant nana. Coolant best example is water nana. This water, because of heat radiation, water will be converted into steam nana. This stream passing through the turbine and fan nana. That means to produce the electricity. That means what is the main usage of nuclear reactor nana? To produce the electricity. Main, what is the use of nuclear reactor? To produce the electricity. Here once again I repeat nana, what is the nuclear reactor principle? Nuclear reactor is a device in which fission occur under controlled chain reaction. It consists of 5 parts nana. The first part is fuel. Fuel is nothing but the fissionable material. Example, uranium 92-235, ORR 92-238, plutonium 239. Example, next I discuss moderator. What is the use of moderator? Fast neutrons slow down by using moderator. Moderator best example is graphite or heavy water. Control rods. Control rods is actually previous state 1 neutron, present state also 1 neutron. But here one fission, how many neutrons are released? 3 neutrons. So excess is 2. Excess neutrons are absorbed by using control rods. Control rods are used to absorb the excess number of neutrons. The best example is cadmium or boron. Next nana, here harmful radiations are emitted in the nuclear reactor. So a concrete wall of thickness 10 meters nana, not 10 millimeters, 10 meters concrete wall is constructed around the plant. That is called radioactive shielding. This is called, and some places lead also placed nana, because lead is to absorb the harmful radiations. And again this here energy release, this process will be continue. A large amount of energy release. This large amount of energy is passing through the coolant nana. Coolant example water or molten sodium. This because of heat radiations, water will be converted into steam. Steam is to turn the turbines, nana. Turbine, here turbine can be used, nana, fan, okay, to produce the electricity. That means what is the main use of nuclear reactor? It is an instrument to produce the electrical power. Enta power ante to drive the Titanic ship, to drive the Titanic ship, nana, to drive the టైటానిక్ షిప్. దట్ మీన్స్ పెద్ద పెద్ద షిప్పులను కూడా షిప్పుల్లో న్యూక్లియర్ రియాక్టర్ ప్లాంట్స్ వాడతారు నాన్న. దానివల్ల యూజ్ ఏంటంటే టు ప్రొడ్యూస్ ద లార్జ్ ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ. ఓకే, అండ్ హియర్ కూలెంట్ హ్యావ్ example of coolant is water or molten sodium. Coolant have high specific heat and high thermal conductivity because it absorbs more heat, nana. So that's why coolant must have high specific heat and high thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity means the ability to conduct the heat, the ability of the material to conduct the heat, and that means it have high specific heat and high thermal conductivity. Metal can be used as a coolant. Theory, nana. Theory means I can explain totally. Here fast neutrons can be taken, slow down by the moderator, and these neutrons bombard with fuel and releasing a large amount of energy. Here the excess neutrons are absorbed by the control rod. These large amount of heat passing through the coolant. This coolant, that means water, will be converted into steam. This stream here to turn the turbines and to produce the electricity. Once again I repeat the theory. Fast neutrons slow down by the moderator and bombard to the fuel and releasing a large amount of energy. This process will be continue and a large amount of heat passing through the coolant. Water will be converted into stream. This stream turns the turbines and to produce the electricity. Nana. Okay. Here, nana, types of reactors, nana. Here first reactor is Breeder reactor. Types of reactors, nana. First reactor is Breeder reactor. Breeder reactor means actually uranium-90 to 238 can be taken. Uranium-90 to 235 is a fissionable material, but this uranium-90 to 230 is not easily fissionable material. This will be non-fissionable material, will be converted into fissionable material. This reactor is called Breeder reactor. What is the Breeder reactor, nana? Breeder reactor means non-fissionable material. Non-fissionable material convert fissionable material. For example, uranium-90 to 235 bombarded with fast neutron. 238 bombarded with fast neutron kinetic energy always greater than 1 MeV. Slow neutron energy 0.025 eV. Here fast neutron kinetic energy is 1 greater than 1 MeV. It will be converted into plutonium, nana. Plutonium. Here 238 becomes what happens? 239. That means more fuel is produced. Here according to equation balance, here 92, here 94. So that's why here 2 electrons. Okay, 2 electrons. Electron is spin balance. It write as a elementary particles. That elementary particle is electron is there, anti-neutrino is there, positron is there, neutrino is there. Because to balance the spin, it will be compulsory to write anti-neutrino. Here bar is there, anti, nu is there, nu is called neutrino. Anti-neutrino. Electron is there, to write anti-neutrino because of spin balance. Here Breeder reactor, once again, non-fissionable material will be converted into fissionable material. Here more fuel is produced, so that's why more breeds. That's why this is called Breeder reactor. Next nana I discuss power reactor nana. Power reactor is nothing but the nuclear reactor. What is the use of nuclear reactor? To produce the electricity. For example, here energy released one fission. ఒక ఆటం వల్ల వచ్చిన ఎనర్జీ ఇది. 2 ఆటమ్స్ వల్ల 2e, 3 ఆటమ్స్ వల్ల 3e, n ఆటమ్స్ వల్ల ne. Total energy released by all atoms equal to ne. Here E dash equal to ne. Ne means nana, n అంటే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫిజన్స్, ఈ అంటే ఎనర్జీ రిలీజ్డ్ పర్ ఫిజన్. ఒక ఫిజన్కి ఈ వస్తే n ఫిజన్కి ne. టోటల్ ఎనర్జీ రిలీజ్డ్ బై ఆల్ ఫిజన్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు n ఇంటూ ఈ. ఆటమ్స్ ప్రకారం కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు నేను. హియర్ ఎనర్జీ రిలీజ్డ్ 1 ఆటమ్, ఎనర్జీ రిలీజ్డ్ n ఆటమ్స్, ne. What is the total energy in the chapter nana? n into e. n అంటే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫిజన్స్, e అంటే ఎనర్జీ రిలీజ్డ్ పర్ 1 fission. Here power reactor to produce the electrical power. What is the power general definition? Power అంటే simply called as in the first year work by time. Work by time, work by time. But work is nothing but the energy. Here energy released per fission is E, అలాంటి n fissions, so ne by t. What is the power formula in the chapter? What is the power formula in the chapter? Power formula ne by t అంటే work by time. Here this is the most important formula in the chapter. What is the power formula? ne by t. Here E అంటే ఎనర్జీ రిలీజ్డ్ ఫర్ 1 fission, n అంటే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫిజన్, t అంటే టైమ్. హియర్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫిజన్స్ ఫార్ములా ఇన్ ద టాపిక్ మాస్ బై మాలిక్యులర్ వెయిట్ ఇంటూ అవగాడ్రో నెంబర్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫిజన్స్ ఫార్ములా? మాస్ బై మాలిక్యులర్ వెయిట్ ఇంటూ అవగాడ్రో నెంబర్. ఐ కెన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ద టాపిక్ నానా టు సీ హియర్. For example, uranium 92-238 I take. According to chemistry, 238 grams Avogadro number of atoms are there. Here uranium 92-238 is given. 238 grams Avogadro number of atoms are present. Here 1 gram ki 1 gram here both side divided by 238, Na by 238 atoms are present. For example, m grams ki both side multiply nana, Na by 238 into small m atoms are present. Here 238 is in the chemistry it is called molecular weight. That means nana m grams total number of atoms is Na into small m by capital M. Here look here, total number of atoms or number of fissions is small m by capital M into Avogadro number of atoms. ఇదంతా మనకు అవసరం లేదు నాన్న. డైరెక్ట్లీ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫిజన్స్ అన్న నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆటమ్స్ అన్న ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ మాస్ బై మాలిక్యులర్ వెయిట్ ఇంటూ అవగాడ్రో నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆటమ్స్. Here Avogadro number of atoms value 6 into 10 power 23. Okay, completed nana today. Okay, here types of reactors. First one is breeder reactor, second one is power reactor. Breeder reactor means more fuel produced. Power reactor means to produce the electricity. Here Ne by T. Ne by T. Here N ante mass by molecular weight into Avogadro number.